Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a foot under IKEA METOD furniture without lifting it. Okay, so obviously if you want to add one, this has a few, but it doesn't have in this corner. And I decided I want to add one, but I don't want to take the whole thing off. It's still not finished, but I still don't want to lift it. So I have some spares of these things. Normally, all my furniture is at the initial level of the pin, which means we have 8 centimeters in here. What you do is tighten it until you break the pin. Mine, as you can see, it's already broken. Tighten it fully. And if you tighten it fully, this thing, if I could do it with one hand, but I cannot, this thing still not tightened fully. Come on, now it is. This fits underneath it. Voila. And now you simply, considering that this is for the end, I will rotate it actually like this. This is the proper position when you are putting it in the end, because we want to also support a bit of this thing. Anyway, so rotate it if you need to. If it's in the middle, it was good how it looked before. And now simply slide it in here and search for the holes. Now I think I'm quite close in here. Let me try and have a look. Almost. Voila. And it's in place. Come on. Yeah, and my phone focuses on whatever it wants, not what it needs to. And now you simply undo it. It has reached the ground. Push this thing down. And at this point, this foot is supporting the furniture. I think it's in final position from what I can see. And we are done. And that's about it for this video. Why I add them? They are cheap enough that I prefer to have more, although IKEA instructions show that you don't need to have too many. But I don't know, for me it's better safe than sorry. Too much support should be good. If they are all adjusted properly and all of them share the load, for me it's good. And that's about it for this video. Hope this helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.